took a while to figure out what these koi like to eat, but it turns out they like the flake food. Nice to see them getting a little more active and comfortable in their environment. Gave them a couple of chunks of my old tube garden, so they got somewhere to get comfy and hide. Always an airplane. First one I've heard all day, but as soon as I brought the camera out, thinking I might still add a few more koi to this tank. I don't know yet. But anyway, we're not here to look at koi today. Just got back from the dollar store with supplies to finally switch out my little Waterfall feature solids filter. It's disgusting. Let's take a look at it. I don't recall exactly how long ago I set this up, but this is sadly the first time I have changed it out. But wow, clearly it's catching some of the debris. Maybe not all of it, but that's gross. Got a nice bucket here with some fresh water in it. Figured we'd rinse that stuff out, find out just how much filth it caught. But I'm still gonna replace it with fresh bits, I think. Alright, let's take a look at this. A little awkward with one hand here. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down and then I'll take a look at it. Much easier to pick that up with two hands. Okay, so that is just nasty. I think I might take that little blue brush there to those sidewalls. That's a two-handed job. We'll cut back in a second. Well, that may not be perfect, but it's definitely better. Alright, I'll put that to the side. That's a start. Now, let's see if we can even find That's nasty. Alright, first things first, let's help the fish out. I'll put some new filter material in there, get my water flowing again, and then we'll get back to looking at that mess. So here you can see I've just got the one scrubby pad on its side, and I tucked all 6 of these scrubbies in the back here where the water is going to be pouring out. Hopefully that should do the trick for that. Well, that's up and running again just fine. In review, I still say this works pretty well, but I probably should have chosen something with a flat front for the waterfall to come out of. But it does seem to be working nicely. Back in the bucket. Oh, this water was so clean. Still, it's going to be great for the gnome garden, won't it? Always find a way to reuse this stuff, right? I mean, it's still good, useful garden fertilizer. That may never be clean again. Maybe not the most glamorous part of aquaponics, but all this stuff is reusable, isn't it? And it's kind of about a more sustainable way to garden at an affordable price. So, sustainability and affordability both kind of have reuse it in common, don't they? Alright, well, I think we can safely say that that solids filter, for something so cheap, is doing a very, very effective job. That is absolutely nasty, and my plants are going to love it. Alright, JT Bear saying, thanks for watching, and have yourselves a wonderful day.